Today you are going to meet the famous Salento potato pitta. You'll love the hearty texture of this potato focaccia, stuffed with a flavorful filling of onions, tomatoes, olives, capers, and your choice of anchovies or tuna. The result is a satisfying dish that will leave you craving more. Let's get started. Let's start by boiling the potatoes in a pot of water until they're nice and soft. You'll know they're ready when a fork can easily slide through. Drain the potatoes, transfer them to a bowl, and let them cool down completely. Next, peel those onions and slice them up nice and thin. In a non-stick skillet, heat up 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Toss in the onion slices and sauté them until they're translucent and fragrant. After about 5 minutes, add in the peeled tomatoes. Turn the heat down to low, cover the skillet, and let it simmer for another 15 minutes. Once that time is up, stir in the capers, olives, and tuna, along with a pinch of salt and some chili powder, if desired. Peel the cooled potatoes and mash them up with a potato masher. Then transfer them to a bowl and mix in 3 to 4 tablespoons of tomato and onion sauce, 100 grams of pecorino cheese, a bit more salt to taste, a sprinkle of black pepper, and the eggs. Get in there with your hands and knead it all together until it's well combined. Remember, the smoother you mash the potatoes, the more authentic your Salento pitta will be. Grease up a 30 by 23 centimeters baking dish with oil or butter. Wet your hands and press half of the potato mixture into the dish, flattening and spreading it out to cover the entire bottom. Spoon that savory filling over the potato base and sprinkle the remaining pecorino cheese on top. Cover everything with the rest of the potato mixture, wetting your hands as needed to prevent sticking. Finally, give it all a generous coating of breadcrumbs. Bake your focaccia at 170 degrees for about 45 minutes, with the dish on the lower rack, until it's lightly browned and irresistible. Enjoy!